Hello and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at how to access and search for resources at the CCU University Library. So whether you're looking for ebooks, journal articles, or need help navigating the resources, we've got you covered. Go to www.ccu.edu/library. This will be your main hub for resources and support. We'll focus on a few key tools today that'll help you get started. First, on the left-hand side of the page, you'll find some helpful resources like FAQs and tutorials on various search strategies. The FAQ section is a great place to troubleshoot any issues. If you need more help, you can also contact us through chat, email, phone, or text. The Books Plus and Articles buttons here allow you to search for books or journal articles. Let's begin with books. You're doing some research on social media's effects on youth. To start, you might type in social media into the search bar. Here we'll see a variety of results, including print books, ebooks, audiobooks, and video results. To focus on ebooks, filter the results by selecting ebook. To further refine the search, you can use the advanced search feature. For our example, we might add in keywords here, like social media and youth. Be sure to use quotation marks around phrases to keep them as exact matches. This will narrow your results. Let's go ahead and look at a couple of ebooks to highlight the two main formats that you might encounter. When you click on Access Online, the first time it'll take you to a login page. You can log in here with your CCU credentials. You'll see that even though each platform looks a little bit different, they each have very similar features. Each allow you to access tools like citations, to search within the book, and even to print sections. Now let's switch our search to articles. We might start by clicking on the Articles tab and searching across all CCU databases. For this search, let's use social media and youth. Using the Articles tabs will provide us here with resources from a wide variety of databases. For us to get more focused results, we might check out the subject guides. These guides help us to narrow our research by guiding us to more topic-specific databases. For example, let's use the Social Issues Guide. Here you'll see a list of recommended databases. For persuasive papers, we might try Opposing Viewpoints in Context, as we try to get various perspectives on social media. Here we'll always want to filter our results by academic journals if we want to get peer-reviewed sources. To broaden our search a bit, we might use a database like Academic Search Complete. Here on this page, let's enter social media and youth and effects. This will give us a good place to start. You can also use keyword suggestions that come up, like impact or consequences. As we get our results, don't forget to select peer-reviewed and full-text filters. These steps will ensure that you can find high-quality and accessible articles. On our results page, we can click on the article title to learn more information about the article. Here we can also see the abstract. You can download the article, access citation tools, and more. There are even more advanced strategies to narrow your results. We might try using the subject search dropdown. This strategy will help you filter articles where your term is not just the keyword, but is also the main subject. The library databases may seem complex at first, but learning to use them will help you find powerful tools to find quality sources for your research. Take some time to explore these features. And always, if you need help, reach out to us through phone, email, chat, or text. We're glad to assist you.